I was having a lousy day. Things weren't going my way. And every time it seemed something else was coming up. But I made it through. And a lot of that's 'cause of you. 'Cause I know you're there for me every day, in every way. You help me get through the roughest days and the days that smooth on by. And I'm so lucky to have you in my life. So I know that every day, no matter if it's bright or gray, I'll make it through 'cause of you, with your love along the way. If you like that song, there's another one there. If you like them all, subscribe right there. And if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hands in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!